we'll guide you through how to zoom in and out in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your desktop and load the project you want to work on. Once your project is open, go to the Edit page by clicking on the Edit tab at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll see your timeline where all your clips are laid out. To zoom in and out of the timeline, you can use the slider at the bottom right corner of the timeline panel. Drag the slider to the right to zoom in and to the left to zoom out. This helps you focus on specific sections of your timeline for more precise editing. For zooming in and out on your video preview, make sure the inspector is open on the right side by clicking the inspector button at the top right. With your clip selected on the timeline, go to the Transform section in the inspector. You'll see Zoom X and Zoom Y controls, which allow you to adjust the zoom level by dragging the slider or entering specific values. This method lets you control the zoom level on your actual footage, so you can create zoom effects directly on your video. If you want to zoom in or out on the fly while watching your footage, you can also hold the Control key on Windows or Command key on Mac, and scroll your mouse wheel up to zoom in and down to zoom out. This is a quick way to navigate through your clips. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with these tools to get a feel for how they work best for your projects. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.